Most people think CB radio is the wild, wild west. No license, no rules, just grab a mic and start talking. But that's actually not true. A recent FCC enforcement case in Illinois proved that real quick. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Ham Shack TV. I'm your host, Josh AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. Today's video is brought to you by Lido Radio Mounts. Folks, it's the best radio mounts out there for ham, GMRS, CB, you name it. We'll talk more about Lido Radio Mounts in a few minutes. Links down in the description. We'll give you 10% off if you use the link. But when agents tracked down a CB operator for allegedly broadcasting nonstop on Channel 19, so today we are counting down the top 5 CB radio rules that people don't know. And yeah, some of these might surprise you. Let's start with number 5. CB radio is still technically licensed. A lot of people say CB radio doesn't require a license anymore, but technically it still does. Back in 1983, the FCC stopped issuing paper licenses and switched to something called license by rule. That means if you follow the FCC rules, you are considered licensed. I want to be very clear about that. We're talking CB, citizens band only. If you break the rules and you're not licensed, which means you're technically operating illegally. Moving on to number 4. Broadcasting is not allowed. CB radio is supposed to be two-way communication, conversation, back and forth. But if you key up and transmit continuously, like playing music or sound effects, you are now broadcasting, and that's not allowed. That's actually what got the Illinois operator in trouble. FCC agents reportedly tracked his signal right to his house where he was transmitting music nonstop. And I want you to think about it like this. If you don't understand the difference between broadcasting and two-way communications, think of it like this. Can you talk back to your AM/FM radio in the car? Can you talk back to your television? No. They are broadcasting to you. It is a one-way communication. Whereas with ham radio, CB, GMRS, FRS, commercial, that kind of thing, you can talk, but you're talking to somebody and you're receiving. That's why it's called a transceiver. Number 3, you can only talk for 5 minutes. Here's one almost nobody follows. You're only supposed to talk for 5 minutes at a time. Then you have to wait for 1 full minute before transmitting again on that channel. It's basically a built-in courtesy rule to keep one person from taking over the frequency. Do people follow it? Absolutely not. Is it still technically a rule? Absolutely. Number 2, skip contacts are now legal. Ever heard someone hundreds of or even thousands of miles away on CB? That's called skip. For years, the FCC tried to say you couldn't talk to stations more than 150 miles away. The problem is you can't control the atmosphere. So in 2017, the FCC finally dropped that rule. Now, if conditions are right and you can hear someone across the country, go ahead and answer them. It's completely legal. And finally, the number 1 rule, only one CB channel actually has an official purpose. Yeah, get that? Only one CB channel has an official purpose. A lot of people think multiple CB channels are officially assigned. No, they're not. Only one channel has an FCC designation, and that's Channel 9. It's reserved for emergency communications, motorist assistance. Now, you may be asking, Channel 19? That is actually just a tradition. It's not official. It's just what's widely used. So now today I want to talk to you real quickly before we wrap this up, quickly about a company that I actually use for my own setups, and that's Lido Radio Mounts. If you're running CB, ham radio, or even GMRS in your vehicle, you already know how important a solid mounting solution is. Lido makes some of the best mounts out there. There's no drilling involved. It's super clean installs and built to hold everything from handhelds to full-size mobile rigs. Whether you're setting up a CB in your truck, a GMRS radio for the family, or a full ham mobile shack, these mounts just flat out work. And if you want to check them out and support my channel, Ham Shack TV, at the same time, hit the link down in the description. And as a reward, we're going to give you 10% off. Use the link down in the description. That's Lido Radio Mounts. We are loving having them back as part of Ham Shack TV. So finally, to wrap up, CB radio might seem simple, but there are rules behind it. And every once in a while, the FCC has to remind everyone they are still paying attention. Whether you agree or not, in comment section, I know you're going to blow me up and say, I don't care, I'll do what I want. Whatever. Whether you agree to the rules or not, you should at least know them. What was it? Barney Fife used to say, ignorance of the law is no excuse for not following the law. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, first off, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for giving me a few moments of your day. I certainly appreciate that. If you did enjoy this video, please hit the thumbs up button down below. Please hit the subscribe button. Videos as often as I can. We do a lot of Hamfest coverage, a lot of news coverage, and things like that. So please hit the subscribe button. We certainly appreciate you. Because here on Ham Shack TV, we live, learn, and transmit. Welcome to the Shack. Guys, we'll see you in the next video. 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.